What's up, everybody? We back again with another video. So I know y'all is hungry right now. Y'all want some meals right now. You want some food. You trapped in your house. You want to go to McDonald's? You can't. You want to go to Chick-fil-A? You can't. You want to go to the restaurant right next door, but you can't. It's all good though. You know why? Cause Don got y'all. You know what I'm saying? So for today's meal, bro. For today's meal, we're making beef stroganoff. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what stroganoff is, but I know what beef is, and I know it's good. So I don't know why they made that name. Alright, y'all, I'm sorry for that weird behind transition. I'm still getting used to this new editing style, but besides all that, man, we got some onion, you know what I'm saying? Some yellow onion, bro. I slapped this thing on every single thing I made. Literally, that's probably why my mom will never eat a single thing that I made. You know what I'm saying? So this yellow onion really gonna give you a nice little flavor to it, man. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, it's one of my favorite onions besides like red, but you know what I'm saying? I can tell some yellow onion. So, you know what I'm saying? Besides the yellow onion, bro, we're gonna also add another special component to this meal, which is some green onion. You know what I mean? The green onion, bro, is where it's at. To me, the green onion is second to the best. You know what I'm saying? Well, besides red onion, but we're not talking about red onion. We're talking about some green onion. Boy, I'm trying to tell you, I love me some green onion, bro. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of a sleeper for most people. You know what I'm saying? I guess because it look weird, but bro, do not be intimidated by the green onion. You can use all parts of it. You can use the green leaf to it, or you can use the little absolute onions parts to it. To be honest, bro, I'm not no veggie person, but I know you can use anything with it, bro. But besides all that, we're gonna be using some sour cream. Alright, first off, I just want to say, bro, this is not a sponsor, bro. I wish it was a sponsor, but shoot, if you want to give me a boy some sponsors, send them my way, you know what I'm saying? But besides all that, bro, this sour cream is gonna be where it's at, bro. This sour cream is gonna give you that nice little creamy texture for our beef stroganoff, you know what I mean, son? So when I'm talking about some beef stroganoff, you know you're gonna need the main important meal, the actual beef, you know what I'm saying? So right here, bro, we got some beautiful behind sirloin beef tips, you know what I'm saying? So the reason why these are so flat, I mean, of course I got them this way, but I didn't want them this way. The store I went to, they didn't have the actual, like, you know what I'm saying? But I had to settle for the flat ones, but it's all good. It's still gonna turn out nice and fire, you know what I'm saying? But if you do get the actual like loin, you know what I'm saying, the actual loin, you might have to do a little extra work, you know what I'm saying? But just as long as you cut with the grain, you don't want to cut against it, you know what I'm saying? Because you want your meat nice and tender, you know what I'm saying? You don't want that thing all tough, chewing like you eating dog food, you know what I'm saying, bruh? So besides the meat, you're gonna need something with every meal. You're gonna need to use this couple things, which is some seasonings. You know what I'm saying, bro? Like if you go to a house and they don't season a meal, you gotta leave right now. You know what I'm saying? But for this meal today, bro, we keeping it simple. You know what I'm saying? We got some salt, pepper. You know, they call it dirt, whatever, but it's still fire. The OGs, you know what I mean? But I added a little bit kick to it. I added some chili powder and some cayenne pepper to it. You know what I'm saying? But also, I want to be a little extravagant, so I added some cilantro lime season. That's gonna give you a really nice little, I don't know, a little spice to it, a little tang to it, you know what I'm saying? I threw in some chicken before and it turned out really good, you know what I mean? But besides the seasoning, bro, for beef stroganoff, we're gonna need the noodles, you know what I mean? So the noodles, man, honestly, bro, I don't know what these noodles are really for, but I don't know why they use these noodles, but I got some egg drop noodles. I don't know what to call egg drop noodles, but that's what we're calling it today, you know what I'm saying? But I got the extra wide, you know what I'm saying? Extra wide means extra, I don't know. So besides all of that, bro, besides all the noodles, we also have the broth, you know what I'm saying? So this broth right here, I got two mixtures. I got beef and I got chicken, you know what I'm saying? So the broth is really where it's at too, bro, also with the sour cream, but the broth is gonna give you a nice little flavor behind into it too, you know what I'm saying? And this all depends on if you want the gravy or you want the creaminess to it, you know what I'm saying? It all depends how much you add to it, you know what I mean? So besides the broth, man, you already know what I had to add to my pasta, which is some cheese, you know what I'm saying? So this cheese mixture is so simple, bro. Only thing it is Swiss and queso cheese, you know what I'm saying? So I didn't even know they even had Swiss and shredded, but it's whatever. So this is how we're looking, you know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all ready, shoot, because I know I'm hungry, bro. So let's get right to the video. Welcome back, y'all, and stuff like that. So this meal is dummy easy, you know what I'm saying? If you're not trying to like make a lot of dishes, well, this is perfect because we're gonna do this in one freaking pot, bro. So only thing we really need to do, and since you know, be like that, we still want how to cut it. You're gonna want to cut it kind of in chunks a little bit. You know what I mean? So you're gonna have to cut it with the grain a little bit. And once you do that, you're gonna want to dry off your meat. Get all the excess blood or water, whatever you got on it. Dry it off. And once you dry it off your meat, you just want to go ahead and season it up. Then once you season it up, put a little oil in your pan, make sure it's nice and hot. Throw your chicken in there and throw it. I said chicken, bro. That's how you know I love chicken so much. It's beef. You know what I'm saying? You want to dry it off, season it up, then throw a little oil in the pan and throw your beef in batches. So you don't want it too much. Then once you cook your beef, you're gonna take it out. Then after you do that, I'll show you the next step. So let's get to it, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. And so after you're done cooking your beef, taking out the pan, do not throw away the grease because all that coming off the beef, because you're going to need that for your onions and green peppers. Well, onions actually, onions and green onions. So if you want to use any veggies, you can, but right now I'm just using onions and green onions, so mostly just onions. So, sorry, my hair is in my face. So after you do all that, right, the only thing you just want to do is just throw your onions in your pan with all that stuff. Probably use the remaining of your seasons if you want to. You don't have to, but that's what I'm going to do. So, and once you do that, you're going to throw some flour in it. Then you're going to throw your broth in it. Then you're going to throw your beef back in it. Then you're going to throw your noodles in it. So after that, so that's about it. So let's get to it, y'all. Let's get it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back and stuff like that. So we got done putting the flour on our veggies. We got done pouring the broth in, putting our meat in. I'm not gonna lie, I did have to switch pans. Not trying to like make a lot of dishes. Well, this is perfect because we're gonna do this in one freaking pot, bro. But we got done with that. We got done adding our noodles to it. We got done adding sour cream and cheese to it. So only thing left is to do is to try the thing, you know what I'm saying? So this is how we looking. Yeah, all nice and creamy. And cheesy at the same time. I didn't have no parsley to make it look cute, but I added some time to it. So let's go ahead and try this bad boy. So look at it, bro. This looks Nice and creamy. And if you want to add mushrooms to it, you can, but I don't like mushrooms. So let's go ahead and try this thing. So. Son, hold on, bro. That thing good, son. That thing straight fire, yo. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. You check out the next video. So check out the next video, y'all. Let's get it. Damn, nigga.
Yeah, nigga. Nigga, this is gonna be a rose battle.
Round 1, fight.
Your nose, bro, they probably keep it like silver in there, bro. Your shit kind of like.
Oh, really?
Yeah, bro. Like, I'm talking on your shit, like, you know what I mean? Like, bro, I can use your nose as a vacuum cleaner.
You got jokes.
Bro, I just get your head, bro. It's like,
Wait till I fire back.
What's the worst thing you can say? Oh, Dontre, you black.
I got better jokes.
Say one right now.
Dontre, you black? You look like an Oreo right now. You look like your microwave.
When you sit down and you stand up, you the same height. You look like a damn chicken nugget, nigga.
You look like a light pole. You look like a lunchbox.
You look like these damn noodles, bro. Look how light these shits are. You need a car seat to sit in, bro.
When you go outside, do you look at the moon?
Why?
Because that's the only thing that can see. You are the sky without stars.
You built like a mozzarella stick.
And you built like black licorice. you look like this pole right here. You got the legs and all that.
Oh, really?
The light is your smile.